Here is the week's knockout news. A surprise U.S. new home sales rebound, but persistent excess inventory and a federal rates stalemate are squeezing affordability and reshaping real estate strategy. Let's talk rates. Let's start with this week's rate movement. The 30-year fixed mortgage rate held steady, ending the week at 6.81%, hovering within the 6.7 and 6.8 band. DSCR rates ranged approximately between 7.8 and 8.5, depending on your lender and borrower profile, typically about a point above the fixed rate. Biggest market movers. This week's key housing data shook things up. Existing home sales released on July 23 held at about 4.3 million units, a modest 0.8% rebound from May, while still hovering near historic lows. S&P Global Composite PMI on July 24th, services surged to a 7-month high, while manufacturing slipped into contraction below 50, signaling uneven but resilient growth. New home sales from July 24 show a rise of 0.6% to 627,000 units, missing expectations. Inventory surged to the highest levels since 2007, pushing median prices down around 2.9% year over year. What all this means for real estate investors? Economic and political signals significantly shaped market sentiment. The labor remained stable, jobless claims dropped to a 3-month low, pushing federal government long-term yields higher. The political volatility, escalating tensions over the Fed Chair Powell's independence and campaign discourse has briefly spooked the markets, adding some pressure to the yield curve. These forces have kept the 10-year Treasury yield above 4.4%, anchoring mortgage and DSCR loans firmly elevated. The good news for investors is that elevated inventory and slow existing markets movement create opportune windows for earning strong rental yields via DSCR-backed acquisition. Slower service sector demand and softer new home pricing offer negotiation leverage, but rising inflation risk keeps lending costs elevated. And just like that, this is already all news. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more expert insights on real estate investing. If you're ready to make the next step or have questions, my contact info is in the description below. I'm here to help you understand the market, find smart loan options, and turn today's challenges into tomorrow's cash flows.